Hello students, welcome to 7th Standard English. Today we are going to learn about the topic grammar, the infinitive. Look at the following sentences. I was writing a letter. Was writing verb. Underline the words verb. The dog barks verb. He can do the job easily. Can do. You may go no. May go verb. In the sentences, the underlined words are verb. They have subject. These verbs are called finite verb. Underline the word verb. They are subject word. They are called finite verb. To steal is wrong. To burden is divine. To steal, to burden, to. Words-க்கு முன்னால to கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அது வந்து என்னது infinitive verb. To steal, to burden express action. But the actions do not relate to any subject in the sentences. Such verbs are called non-finite verb, the infinitives. To steal, to burden, infinitive verb. Okay. Infinitive may be used as a subject in a sentence. To err is human. To find fault is easy. To eat too much is bad. To err, to find, to eat. Infinitive verb. It may be used as an object also. They sought to learn it. Infinitive. Diana has to waste her time. Infinitive. Raghu likes to help me. To help. Infinitive. It may be used as modified as question marks. Question words. The students do not know how to go there. How to go there. Go. To. Infinitive verb. Tell me how to go there. To. வந்திருக்கு இடையில to கொடுத்திருக்கு. Infinitive verb. The child does not know which book to read. Infinitive verb. Change the underlined words into infinitive. Swimming is a good exercise. Swimming beginning words to. To swim. ing போயிரும் to. To swim is a good exercise. Infinitive. Change to infinitive. To swim. Ganguly will be happy if he scores a century. If கட்டாயிரம் அதில் if கட்டாயிட்டு அதில் என்ன செய்திருக்கேன் to வந்திருக்கோம். Ganguly will be happy to square. if key கட் பண்ணி to square a century. Vijaya hopes that she will pass the exam in the first class. Vijaya hopes that she will pass. That she will change to pass the exam in first class. There are many people who would help him. There are many people who would change to help him. Shivaji was a good actor and so he could act in any role. Shivaji was a good actor and so he changed to act in any role. Rewrite the following sentences using the infinitive of the underlined words. Listening to music makes us happy. Listening, ing change to ing. Listen to music makes us happy. Listen to infinitive verb. Listen to music makes us happy. Students like watching TV, ing change to. Students like to watch TV. He expressed that he will pass with good marks. He expect to pass with good marks. The teachers told us that we should write neatly. That we should change to. The teachers told us to write neatly. It is time that I should sleep. That I should change to two. It is time to sleep. Tell us where we would buy food. Where we would change to two. Tell us where to buy food. I was shocked when I saw a one-eyed man. When I changed to two, saw changed to see. I was shocked to see a one-eyed man. My father will be angry if I disturb my sister. If I change to two. My father will be angry to disturb my sister. My grandfather is so old that he cannot do any work. So old that he cannot change to old to do any work. My grandfather is too old to do any work. My parents decided what course I should take up in June. My parents decided to take up what course in June. Thank you, students. Next, the gerund. The gerund. What is a gerund? Give one example. A gerund is an ing form of a verb used as a noun. Gerund can be used as subject or object. Example, walking is good for health, used as subject. Walking is good for health, used as subject. I like walking, used as object. Seeing is believing, subjective complement. Any one examples right. Okay. Walking and believing are used as noun here. The gerund is a verbal noun and so they can take object as verb do. Example, change the underlined words into gerund. To speak, to change in speaking. Okay. Gerund ing form of verb. To speak, change in ing. To change பண்ணி ing add பண்ணணும். Okay. To speak the truth is a good habit. Speaking the truth is a good habit. The students learn to type. The students learn typing. To change ing add typing. Rewrite the following sentences changing the underlined words into gerund. Our uncles likes to go for a walk every morning. To change go ing going. Our uncles likes going for a walk every morning. Going go change into going. Nitya prepares to work in USA. Nitya prepared working in USA. Nitya prepares working in USA. To drive fast on crowded roads is dangerous. To driving fast on crowded road in dangerous. All the peoples of country must work to develop. All the peoples of country must work for developing. All the peoples of country must work for developing. ing add. Bharat does not know to draw this diagram. Bharat doesn't know drawing this diagram. Bharat doesn't know drawing of these diagrams. Thank you.